dkdynamics presents paper Aero Model Kit.
Hello friends, I am Rob and I have come back with a new and an interesting project. So friends, aerodynamics is my everlasting hobby, and as we all know that as we are kids, we are all having a dream to fly. So friends, as I was a children, I used to make various paper model airplanes which I used to fly, and I just used to cut the parts in the symmetry, the different parts such like the elevators, ailerons and wings. But I just used to think that why the aeroplane is not flying in the air. So friends, the reason was aerodynamics. So friends, I worked on the aerodynamics with whole of my capacity and find out that how the plane works. So friends, I just made the aeroplanes with some of the aerodynamic factors which were fulfilling the aerodynamic factors, and I have presented the best aeroplanes for you. So friends, here we are having some of the aeroplanes. So here are some of the most renowned fighter planes, as we all know, and that are our dream planes. And here we are having the 5 models. So friends, it is very easy and simple to make these planes. Here are the cutouts to make this plane. Here it is the cutout of the fighter 32, and this is the Raptor, and this is fighter 12. So friends, these are the various cutouts which have been given, and we have to just attach these cutouts using some adhesive, and just these planes are ready. So friends, for making these planes we just have to print these various designs on a hard sheet paper, and we have to make the cutout, and we have just to paste these, and our planes are ready. And as these all are fighter planes and dream planes, so we can put these planes in our showcase, and they will inspire us all the time to fly high. So friends, here is our kit, and all the components to make these planes are provided in this kit. So friends, this is my first kit, and now I am going to show you my second kit. So friends, in our previous kit we were having some non-flying models, while in this kit we are going to discuss about the flying models. So friends, here we are having the 4 flying models, and now I am going to show you that how to make these models. So friends, here is a fuselage, and here we are going to fit the wing inside it. This is the wing. And friends, we have fitted the wing, and here is our tail. So friends, our second plane is a catapult plane. Here I fitted the wing, and here we have to fit the tail. And it's very easy to fit this. So friends, it has been fitted here, and now we are going to throw this catapult by using this rubber band throw. And now friends, here is our helicopter, and here are just various components. So friends, just take out this. Here is a rubber band. So friends, first of all, we have to take out the rubber band, and here are the parts. Some of the parts here are here. So friends, first of all, in this we have to fit these two. So it is going to be assembled like this. Here we have fitted the wings, as well as we have folded the rubber band 3 times, and here we have placed a double-sided tape, and we are going to paste the helicopter through this. So we have to just paste it like this, and now it has been fitted. And now we are going to clockwise, and if we move it clockwise, then it is going to move in the anti-clockwise direction, and vice versa. And so friends, here are some of the models, some of the simple plane models as well, and you can very easily make them by yourself and can have the fun with aerodynamics. So friends, this is all for today, and just make these planes to enjoy and play with the aerodynamics and to learn science, and you can make this very easily in your home by yourself. And so friends, I think that you are going to make these planes for your science projects, and I'm sure that you're going to win the prize. For more queries, email us, and for more details log on to www.dkdynamics.com and buy these planes from our Facebook shop. And here we are providing the kit by which you can easily make these planes. You can buy this kit from the Facebook shop, and I will come back with some more new and interesting videos. And please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please share our video. Thank you.